Hello, physical education students. We are again in week 7, still focusing on muscular endurance for the week. I got some new information for you this week. We are going to be focusing on improving muscular endurance according to the ACSM, American College of Sports Medicine guidelines. We're going to focus on loading and volume. Loading is your weight used and volume is your number of repetitions. Evidence shows that loading is multidimensional and different programs can be used. So there's a variety of different ways that we can improve our muscular strength. For novice and intermediate training, relatively light weights can be used in a range of 10 to 15 repetitions to improve muscular endurance. If you're stronger and if you've been working out a lot, you're in advanced training, various loading strategies can be used for multiple sets per exercise in the range of 10 to 25 reps per set or more in a periodized progressive program leading to higher overall volume. So you do more weight at higher reps if you are advanced. We want to have short rest periods that should be used for muscular endurance training. The quicker you have your next workout, that gives your body less time to rest. You're going to build more muscle for endurance from there. So for 1 to 2 minutes for high repetition sets, 15 to 20 reps or more, and less than 1 minute for moderate 10 to 15 repetition sets. So circuit training with little rest is good for building local muscular endurance. The rest period should be very short and should only fill the time taken to move to one station to the other. Frequency? Well, for beginners, you want to have 2 to 3 days per week that you're training your entire body. If you're an intermediate, 3 days per week total body workouts and 4 days per week if using split routines for upper and lower body workout. So depending on what your activity is, if you want to do upper body one day, lower body the next, that's fine. But typically you don't want to lift multiple days in a row. You want to have some rest in between. If you are advanced, you can use a higher frequency of 4 to 6 days per week, but make sure that you're splitting the workout according to your muscle group. All right, so again, repetition velocity. Different speeds of contraction can be used based on the number of repetitions. Intentionally slow velocities can be used when performing a moderate number of repetitions. So think of a bicep curl, a very slow and controlled extension and contraction of your arm is good for slow velocities. If you want to be faster, moderate to fast velocities are more effective when you train a larger number of repetitions, such as 15 to 25. So you can do a shoulder press fast and try to get as many repetitions as you can, or depending on what you're working on, a slow velocity with lower repetitions. Our workout today, you have 7 exercises. Of course, they are all linked as always, so you can see what they are. With those 7 exercises, you're going to do 10 to 15 repetitions with a quick 20-second rest between exercises. So you want to go 15 reps, try to do them as fast as you can, 20-second reps. Repeat those 7 exercises and do that 3 times. That is your workout. Go ahead and answer reflection questions, and we will see you again later on this week. Have a great day.